Today on Tanaka Homestead, I want to show you how I made a trellis out of cattle panel. When I started shopping for trellises, I was very disappointed. First of all, a lot of the trellises I saw were super expensive. And secondly, not only were they expensive, they didn't even seem all that sturdy. So I decided to go ahead and build my own, and I think they came out great. It was super easy, very sturdy, and way cheaper than anything you could buy pre-made. So I went to Tractor Supply. I got cattle panels, metal posts, wire ties. That's it. Well, ended up going back and getting a post driver, but so that's all I did, and it came out great. So I just want to show you quickly how we did this. My husband started off thinking that he could easily hammer in each of the metal posts, but quickly realized that that was going pretty much nowhere. So we ended up going to Tractor Supply and buying a post driver, and boy, did that make a difference. So I ended up having 12 metal posts because we were building 3 trellises. I had 2 posts on each side, and it definitely took some time getting those into the ground. Once we got the metal post in on one side, we took the cattle panel and we pulled it up and kind of figured out exactly how much of an arc we wanted in our trellis. Once we did that, then we put the rest of the post in the ground. Once all of the metal posts were in the ground and each of the cattle panels were in place, my husband went through with pliers and used these metal ties to wrap around the post and the cattle panel so that it was supporting it. And I have to tell you, this trellis is super sturdy. It would take a whole lot for it to come down, but that's what I wanted. I wanted something that would last a while and endure the seasons. Once everything was secure, I went to Lowe's and I purchased some cement blocks to outline the planting area. And of course I had to clear the space out. There's no surprise there. I did have some weed barrier I had to cut as well. But once I did that, I added soil, and inevitably I planted some loofah seeds and some tomatoes in the ground. So I am so incredibly excited about this. A lot of work, but I will tell you, it will pay off, that's for sure. These were the pavers that I purchased, and I filled it with soil. This will be my planting area. I still need to clear out the center section, and I'm gonna have mulch just like I do over here, but of course it's gonna take some time. And what I'd like to do is I'm probably gonna add another set of pavers over here. I haven't quite decided yet, but that's what I was thinking initially, but who knows, that may change. But I am so excited about this. Well, thank you so much for watching my channel. I do appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Happy gardening. Bye-bye.